Next acid derivative is esters. Esters can be prepared by esterification reaction. Esterification reaction means when alcohol react with the carboxylic acid in the presence of mineral acid, it gives esters. For example, this acetic acid react with the ethanol, the presence of mineral acid, it gives an ester. And next we will discuss its chemical properties. First one is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis of ester gives alcohol and carboxylic acid. So here when it is undergo hydrolysis, it gives CH3, C double bond O, OH and carboxylic acid plus C2H5OH on alcohol. Next reaction is trans-esterification reaction. This trans-esterification reaction is very important reaction. Here esters of an alcohol can react with another alcohol in the presence of mineral acid and gives esters of second alcohols. For example, this is ethyl acetate. When this ethyl acetate react with the propyl alcohol and it gives propyl acetate and ethyl alcohol. And here interchange of alcohol portions of the ester takes place. This group is added to here. So here interchange of alcohol takes place and this reaction is known as trans-esterification. That is very important reaction. Next one is reaction with ammonia. When ethyl acetate, this is ethyl acetate, react with the ammonia, it gives amide, acetamide and also ethyl alcohol. And this is removed as ethyl alcohol along with this acetamide will be obtained. Next one is glycine condensation and here ethyl acetate, this is ethyl acetate, react with ethyl acetate, that is another molecule of ethyl acetate, and here self condensation takes place. So ethyl acetate undergoes self condensation and form beta ketoester. Name of this compound is ethyl acetoester, that is acetoacetate. Next one is reaction with the PCl5. When this ethyl acetate react with the PCl5, it gives a mixture of acetyl chloride and ethyl chloride. When this ethyl acetate react with the PCl5, it gives a mixture of, this is acetyl chloride and an ethyl chloride. These are all the chemical properties of esters. Next, we will discuss about acidamide. CrCOONH2. The OH group is replaced by NH2 group. And this acidamide can be prepared by two methods. One is when this acid chloride treated with ammonia, this is acid chloride, this is ammonia, and there is a removal of HCl. HCl is removed and we will be getting this CH3CONH2. This is acetamide. Next one is when acetic anhydride is undergo reaction with ammonia and it give acetamide plus acetic acid. This is acetamide. And this is acetic acid. Second method of preparation is heating ammonium carboxylate. When ammonium acetate, when it is heated and it will give acetamide. Third one is partial hydrolysis of alkyl cyanide. When this alkyl cyanide undergo hydrolysis, the presence of con HCl, it gives acetamide. This is the third method of preparation, that is partial hydrolysis of alkyl cyanides. Next one is the chemical properties of amides. First one is amphoteric character. Amides behave both as well as acid and weak base, and it shows the amphoteric character. This amphoteric character can be proved by the following reaction. The first one is acetamide react with the hydrochloric acid to form a salt. This is the acetamide. Here it is act as a base and it is reactive with the hydrochloric acid to form a salt, acetamide hydrochloride. Next one is acetamide. Here it is act as a acid. When this acetamide react with the sodium to form sodium salt and hydrogen gas is liberated. Here it is act as a acid. Here it is act as a acid. Here it is act as a base. So amphoteric character means same compound, it is behave as a acid as well as a base. So here it is behave as a acid and it is react with a sodium metal and it forms sodium acetamide. Next one is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis of amides gives an acid. When amides hydrolysis in presence of dilute HCl and it will give acetic acid and ammonium chloride. Next one is dehydration reaction. When this acetamide treated with in the presence of P2O5, that is phosphorus pentoxide, which is act as a dehydrating agent, and here water molecule is removed, we will be getting methyl cyanide. Next one is very important reaction, Hofmann's degradation reaction. This is very important reaction. Here acetamide, when it is react with bromine, the presence of caustic alkali, that is potassium hydroxide, it form the primary amine. This is methyl amine. Reaction, when acetamide reduced in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride and it form a ethyl amine.